Bang it bounce. Bang it bounce. Let's get this housekeeping out. Hey Nation, it's your plus size homegirl Shein, dealing with all things plus size. So as you see, today's video is a total like left field, left ballpark. That's not a thing. Anyway, it's one from total left field. It's actually a treat box. It is from a company called trytreats.com. And before I get into it, hold on. Housekeeping. Let's get it out the way. Bang it bounce. Bang it bounce. Let's get this housekeeping out the way. Stop. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notification bell on so when the kid posts, you guys can get the latest and greatest on what's going on inside the nation, okay? Also, guys, if you follow me on my TikTok, I'll pop that out as well. Okay, so back to, what is this? trytreats.com. So they did give me an offer code, and of course I will link it down in the description box as well as it'll pop out below. You do get 15% off with your first box purchase. Okay guys, I also forgot to describe basically what this is. So this is a snack subscription box, but it's an international snack subscription box. So this box right here that I have is from all over the world. Okay, so it's not like one specific. Get your words together. So it's not one specific or particular place. I think they did tell me though that within the following, like the up and coming months, they will do like more specific places like the UK or maybe South Africa. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just throwing places out there, but it will be more specific toward like a certain region or whatever the case may be. So let's get into the box. I was about to say, okay, let's get into the box, but Bella was like, yeah. So let's get into the box now, I guess. I can't believe I caught that on camera. Anyway, so let's get into the box. So I did open the box, okay? It does come like a normal box, okay? I didn't think y'all wanted to see all that. But I did open the box. I didn't try no, but I did open it. So this is what the box looks like, guys. These are some of the things that's inside. Little influencer hack. When you're doing like your thumbnail or your cover photo, if you have like a box of items, like loose items like these, you want to make them like sticks, so when you take the pictures like a pop, like, oh my God, what is this? Ah! Just tape everything down. Just tape it down. That's how it's all sitting here. I taped it all down so I get my thumbnail. So let's go ahead and get into it. And y'all see I got my drink of the night. And this is my water. Okay, gotta chase it down with something. I didn't talk long enough. Got the munchies. Let's get into these snacks. That's good water right there. Don't start that. Because I'm trying to do another intro and here you come. You cool? Okay, you're not cool. I'm finna keep going. Anyway, let's get into our first snack. Candy, whatever. Candy, I said it. I'm gonna do this blue piece that I take down. It's BIS, B-I-S. I don't know where this is from, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so sorry. They did not give me a breakdown of that. Okay, it's chocolate. Smells. It looks like a chocolate wafer. It smells like it. Oh. She's stale. It tastes like, I like it, but she's a little stale. Yeah, it tastes like a wafer and chocolate. She's just a little stale. Yeah. Are you yelling at me? I just got busted again on camera. Sheesh. She is giving it to me tonight. So the next item on the list is, I don't know if these are cookies or crackers. I think these are, it says fresh and crisp. So I'm assuming some kind of, they're like in a packet like that, but Jacobina, I think that's what that says. Let me, gotta get that wafer. Okay, so let's get into these. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. These smell like little cookies. I'm like, I don't know if they're showing up on camera now. I don't know if y'all can see, but they're like little cookies. They smell like cookies, but I don't know if they're crackers. But it's like a whole pack of them. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay, anyway, so I'm just eat. Oh, it's dry as fuck. What is this? Shortbread. It gives you like, it puts you in the mind frame when you eat it of like a shortbread, but it's sweet. It's weird because it's sweet like a shortbread, but it's like a cracker. It's like a cracker shortbread. I know that sounds weird as hell, but okay, guys. So the next item in the box are these little candies. I have blueberry, grape, orange, and this is looks like pear. I'm not sure where it's from. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I mean, this is what it looks like. I don't know if they show up on camera. I will try to take a picture of, you know, so you can see what it looks like. Maybe look it up. Can't translate it, don't know it, but I want to try it. I'm excited. So it's like a little, oh, it's like a little ball. It smells like a pear. Tastes like a pear, but a gut pear. I like this. Oh, this is good. Savory. It's like sweet and savory. It's like candy. I feel like a little girl, old girl at the Charlie and Chocolate Factory. Like, Oh yeah. How can I get some more of these? Okay, guys, so this is our next item. No clue, not one red cent what this is, but I'm excited to try it. I'm eager to try it. It's very soft and definitely is some type of biscuit of some sort. I'm gonna play against a game of food. I realized how weird that was getting. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna do the one at the bottom because I think I crumbled the one at the top. I want to show y'all what it looked like whole. This may be a cookie of some sort. It smells like peanut butter. It definitely smells like peanut butter. Soft. Oh my. What is this? This is, okay. I know. I was like, girl, what is it? What it tastes like? A biscuit cookie with a hint of peanut butter. Next item. Okay, so this item is a custard cream cake. It's from Best Choice, made by Best Choice. The custard is $19.89. Okay, well, don't tell me where it's from. It's extremely soft. Let me tell you something. For the packaging, the stuff that's supposed to be soft is extremely soft. Like the stuff that's supposed to be. That vanilla wafer, I don't know what that was giving. Oh, wait a minute, don't tear it, baby. Okay. Okay, she a cute little shut-up-the-dump. Sweet AF. She actually smells fresh. And she's extremely soft. That's nasty. It's nasty. She tastes like paste. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, we back. So, this is actually soft. This is by Nestle. Ocho Chokito. 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 I'm trying to see what it comes with. It looks like... This is all in Spanish. Thought I was gonna be able to read it. It's all in Spanish, ladies and gentlemen. It's what it looked like. It's a turd. I'm sorry. This is my chocolate. Crispy wafers. My balls. And what is that? Is that a chocolate nougat? It's peanut butter. The peanut butter ain't peanut buttering. Nope. So the inside of this, right here, that's peanut butter. I'm spitting, but that's peanut butter. It tastes like chocolate nougat, and then it starts tasting like peanut butter. But it's the consistent, and then it's like chocolate, like it's chocolate on the outside, and it's like little ball wafers right up in here, like little bumps on it. Okay, guys, so the next thing are these little candies called Milkita. They are vanilla shake candy. So vanilla shake in a candy. It doesn't tell me who makes this. Okay, it comes out white. You see? Oh, so I don't know. It's just like a vanilla milkshake. It's soft. It's like a nougat bite. This is good. It tastes just like a vanilla milkshake. It's so rich. I couldn't get it out. Like it was. This is such a rich candy. This candy. Okay, guys, we're down to the last 3 items in the box, and I'm personally excited. I saved these for last because these would look the most exciting to me. So first up, Triple X peppermint. It's a seriously strong peppermint, extra strong mints. It doesn't tell me where these are from, but I'm gonna try. I'm excited. Sheesh. Yeah, it's a strong mint. That's how they look. They come in a pack. How hard I would bite it. I bit it. I'm sorry. Hold on. Consistency. What? Baby, this ain't nothing but Altoid. And I threw the paper behind me. This ain't nothing but an Altoid. This ain't nothing but an Altoid. Okay, guys. So next up, we got our Royal Grand Luxury Cream Wafer Rolls Tongue Twister with delicious coconut cream filling. So this is what the box looks like. This is what it's giving. It's giving big box. It's giving you finna be a good snack, or I'm finna throw the whole box away. It's giving what it's supposed to do. Is it giving what it's supposed to give? Oh! Okay, so it's another package in here, this size at the bottom. Okay, I don't know why I was thinking a tray. It is a tray. I think I'm feeling a tray. It is. It's a tray. smell like crackers. So this is what they look like, guys. It's empty. It tastes good. It tastes like a rolled up sweet vanilla wafer, but it's empty. Okay. They're all empty. Oh, baby, these is empty. I thought I was, hold on. Cream filling, wow. Oh, bitch. They're putting the cream filling as a thin, like, sheet on the inside of it and calling it filling. Because, I mean, I can see this as clear as I can see y'all, and ain't no filling, baby. We're down to the last item in the box. I say these for last because they are artificial chicken flavored crackers from MIA. I'm assuming this is an O. It looks like Meow Meow. The House of Snacks, MIAO, MIAO. These are the snacks how it looks. And surprisingly enough, only the rest of this from the top of my fingers to the top of the bag is air. The rest of these are filled with crackers. Surprisingly enough, because usually, you know, we get a bag of chips, child, it be here. And the rest of this be air. So this is a surprise. This is a surprise. Child. You full of air, girl. Come on, open. Girl, I can't open you, girl. Why am I struggling with a bag of crackers? I got them open. That was a battle. They look like vanilla wafers. Like they're light AF. Oh, this tastes like a chicken. I felt bad because I enjoy them. They've definitely mastered some spray for it to taste like an artificial, like big ass chicken like this, and spread over these tiny vanilla, not vanilla, but tiny wafers. These are good. I'm gonna do one more for science sake. One more for human mankind. Definitely can't forget the moon. Okay, guys, so we have reached the end of the video. Hopefully you did enjoy the treat box. Definitely give me your feedback. Tell me down below. Have you ever tried anything like this? This is honestly my first time, and I truly enjoyed it. Like, I really want to get into more things like this and other like avenues and different things on the channel. Guys, tell me things that you do want to see, things you don't want to see more of. Just like if I should post more, how often I should post more, whatever it is. Leave it in the comment section and the feedback below. And I think that's all. Okay, I think that's all. Bye, y'all.